Hello my technical friends, this is Testout Hybrid Server Pro Core and this is lab 11.1.8 and we are going to enable share caching. So you are configuring the file system on the COP file 16 Windows server. The drive H archive folder has been previously shared and users have read-only access to the archive shared folder. When the client computer accesses a file in the archives shared folder, you want to automatically cache a copy to the user's workstation. So this will optimize system performance by preventing unnecessary network use when files are accessed in the future. So in this lab, your task is to make all files and programs that users open from the /h/archive shared folder automatically available offline. We are also going to optimize performance by caching programs and files. Right, so that is all we need to do in this lab. Let us go ahead and start our lab. Alright, so by the end of this video, you find this tutorial to be helpful to you. You may also want to consider joining our professional membership, where you have detailed access on how to solve any of the Testout lab, no matter how complicated, by clicking on the join button in this video. Also like, subscribe and turn on notification so that you have access to all our other wide variety of educational materials to help you in your educational journey. Alright, so let's maximize this so that you see what we're doing clearly, and then we open COP server. Now COP server opens up. We're going to open COP file 16, and then when that opens up, we want to, let's see, maximize this, and then we go to, let's see, we want to maximize this, and then we go to this PC, and then let's see, let's go to project, select the H drive, open it up, and then we'll go to archives, right click on it and go to properties, and inside properties you want to select sharing and advanced sharing. In advanced sharing you want to, let's see, in advanced sharing caching and all files, select this and then click OK, and we're going to apply this and click OK, and we'll go ahead and check answers. So if you find this video to be helpful, you also want to consider sharing so that other students can benefit also. Like and subscribe, turn on notifications so you have access to our other wide variety of educational material to help you in your educational journey. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video.